Hello everyone, it's Miss Thomas, and today we are going to talk about centroids. So some vocabulary. A median is a segment whose endpoints are on the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side of a triangle. So here is a triangle drawn with all of its medians. So just to be sure, BF AD and CE are all medians. And I can tell that they're medians because I can see they're cutting the opposite side into two equal pieces and connecting to the opposite vertex. So they do that for all three pairs. So then the centroid is the point of concurrency of the medians of the triangle. So P is the centroid of triangle BCA. And so there's a special relationship with the lines, with the medians after they intersect, and that is that the medians of the triangle intersect at a point that is 2/3 the distance from each vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So if you think about this here, this is two pieces, and from the side to the centroid is one of the pieces. So if you're thinking about AP is equal to 2 times PD. And BP is equal to 2 times PF. And CP is equal to 2 times EP. So an example of using this to figure out some calculations, if we know that C is the centroid of triangle GHJ and CM is equal to 8, we're able to find both HM and CH. And it doesn't really matter what order you find those in. What you do need to figure out first, though, is what's the shortest piece on here? And we should know that the piece from the angle to the centroid is the longest piece of the median. So it's twice as long as the short piece. So I should know then that CH is 16 because it's twice 8. So then HM is the entire median. So HN is just going to be 24 because it's the sum of those two pieces. So in this triangle, we know that C is the centroid of triangle XYZ. So if we wanted to find, for example, how big CK is. CK is this piece right here. Well, I know that CK is the smaller piece of the median because it's connecting to the segment, and the bigger piece is the 8. So CK's got to be half as big CX. So it's going to be 4 because it's half as big as CX. If I wanted to know how big KZ is, So this is this piece right here. The fact that this is a centroid then means each of these halves has been bisected. So I know that KZ is going to be 5 because it's congruent to YK. So your U-try is to find CZ and XK. Have a great night.